Welcome to Yoga Flow on the Go, presented by Autoscope. I'm Sonia Azad. Okay, I love a good road trip, but sometimes you get a little sleepy. So I'm gonna teach you a breathing exercise that we use in yoga. It's called lion's breath. And this is intended to naturally boost your energy levels. It's gonna look a little funny and sound crazy, but it'll kind of be fun for the people who are driving around you. Here's how it works. You breathe in through the nose, stick out your tongue, and roar like a lion. You can do this with your kids. You can make any sounds you want. Relax the jaw, face, and throat. Breathe in through the nose and out. Remember, always keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. That's it. Try it 7 times in a row. Let me know how you like it. I'm Sonia Azad. This has been your Yoga Flow on the Go, presented by Autoscope. Until next time.